In this video, you will learn how to buy a domain with Ionos. First, open your browser, go to the Ionos website, then search for your domain. On the home page, you will see a search bar. Here, you can enter the domain you wish to purchase, such as yourdomainname.com. Click search if your domain is available. Choose your domain. If your domain is available, you will see a confirmation and an add to cart section. Add to cart. Once you find your desired domain name, click add to cart. Create an account or sign in. If you do not have an Ionos account, you'll be prompted to create a new one. If you have one, just sign in to your existing account. Review your order. After logging in, you'll see a summary of your order. Review your domain you've selected and check if you want additional services such as email hosting, privacy, enter billing information. Provide your billing information such as your name, payment info and address. Complete the purchase. After reviewing everything, click Checkout and follow the prompts to finalize the payment. Confirmation email. Once the transaction is successful, you will receive a confirmation email. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.